The state of Maryland is inching closer to 120,000 confirmed coronavirus cases. Leaders say 682 more positive results came back today. Meanwhile, nearly 1.4 million people have tested negative. Governor Hogan announced starting Monday, restaurants can welcome guests indoors up to 75% capacity. WJZ is live. Annie Rose Ramos has reaction from local leaders. Annie Rose.
Rachel, Maryland is at the start of its first ever statewide restaurant week. Hundreds of restaurants are participating, including Pickles Pub right here in Baltimore City, hoping to give the restaurant industry a much needed boost. Maryland reporting 682 new COVID cases Saturday, bringing the total to nearly 120,000 cases since the pandemic began. The state's positivity rate dropping for a fourth day in a row, looking toward a week when restaurants can increase their indoor capacity.
This is great news to hear.
A welcome announcement for many, like Randy Mariner, who owns Manor Hill Tavern in Ellicott City.
It has been a very long 6 months. Restaurants continue to struggle.
We laid off 140 employees. 140 family members. That's tough.
Starting Monday at 5 p.m., the governor is allowing restaurants to move to 75% capacity indoors with appropriate distancing.
We know that outdoor dining is pretty soon going to be taken away from us because of weather. We need people to feel comfortable about dining in restaurants, feeling safe.
But some areas like Anne Arundel County and Baltimore City are staying at 50%.
When the data suggests that we need to do something different, then we will do that.
And Baltimore County is still undecided. Their health team's meeting Saturday to discuss.
This has become a pattern with the governor where he does not give us any advance notice or collaborate with local leaders on these decisions.
The governor visited restaurants on Friday. His capacity increase coinciding with the first ever statewide restaurant week.
Restaurants need your help.
Hoping to give restaurants some much-needed support.
This whole COVID thing has been a real disaster.
Now, owners will look at how to safely open to more customers.
They are willing to put measures in place, whether that be plexiglass barriers, creative seating arrangements.
We're certainly willing to go the distance because that's what it's going to take.
While others say they're too small to safely accommodate indoor diners, so they'll make do with a winter outdoors.
I think it helps that people have sweaters and a few blankets and a great attitude and great red wine, and they're going to be fine.
Now, Rachel, for a full list of all the restaurants participating in this restaurant week, head to our website, WJZ.com. Reporting live from Pickles Pub, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.